Today we're looking at the iLoud micro monitor, and it's phenomenal. I've had a little bit of time to play with it, and it's incredibly compact.
I was really impressed with the low end for sure, and I actually had to turn them down.
There's not too many monitors that sound as clear as these do. I was hearing the vocals right in front of me.
I love them. They're perfect for my setup back here.
In this case, size does not matter, but it's small and packs a huge punch.
It's an insane amount of volume, an insane amount of response, and an insane amount of control for such a small package.
Simple, clean, easy to use. I have enough stuff. I don't want to worry about anything extra.
I can take them with me anywhere. I'm up and going in seconds.
I was impressed by the fact that they're so portable.
You're not sacrificing really anything on quality.
I mean, they're Bluetooth ready and they sound good.
So you handed me the bag when we were loading in, and I thought it was like a camera lens or something. Very convenient for sure.
To have something that small that you incredibly mix on is really something.
iLoud micro monitors.
How could something this small and compact have the punch?
Definitely pick a pair up.
I definitely need a pair of these iLoud micro monitors.
I don't want to tell you how to vote, but I can tell you how to buy. Buy the iLoud micro monitors.
Yeah.